Popping or clicking sounds in temporomandibular joint means that somebody has a TMD or TMJ issue. Hi, I am Dr. Vikas Aggarwal and this is a frequently asked question and I am here to help you with all your queries. Actually, when the joint clicks or there is a popping sound in your temporomandibular joint or TMJ, it means there is some disturbance with the movement of the joint and the disc inside it. Every time a joint clicks, yes, it is a cause of concern, but it becomes a major or more frequently sought after problem when it is accompanied by pain or difficulty in mouth opening or restriction of mouth when patient is trying to chew his or her food. These kind of problems can be very well taken care of, shown to a specialist dentist who is treating the temporomandibular disease, and earlier intervention is always better. These problems are managed but not cured. So for the management is sufficient. Many a times the clicking joint doesn't need a treatment, but every clicking joint doesn't need a treatment. It is not true. If you have a clicking joint, if you have a popping sound, if you have any grating sound or any frictional movement in your joint, you need to immediately visit the TMJ specialist and get yourself checked. According to the diagnosis, treatment is to be given.